Which AI video generator is best? So the answer to this question is based on what you're after. So here in this video, I'm going to discuss three top AI video generators that you can use based on specific scenarios or areas. So let's get into the video. The first one I would suggest is the Runway ML. Okay, Runway ML is actually a generative AI video platform focused on creative storytelling and professional content creation. It actually combines text to video, image to video, and video editing features within a single creative workspace with tools like advanced motion control and camera effects as well. So it's best for like creative and high quality videos. Okay, their main features include like text to video generation, so you can simply provide text and create short clips to extendable, which is extendable with planning. And also you have the option to create image to video or video to video tools for transforming the visuals. And you have like advanced creative controls like motion brush, camera manipulations, and professional editing and AI generations, everything in one workplace. Okay, they have the highest creative control, so it's ideal for like detailed storytelling, camera movements, effects, and cinematic output actually. Okay, so that's one. And also it has flexible workflows. You can mix AI generation with traditional editing as well, so you can do that. And it has a broad user case like for social content, ads, movies, experiments, and all those things. The only thing is that it comes with a price, so the free version you can try here, which comes limited features. Okay, and they have a bit of learning curves, which is like it's rather than the plug and play, it has a little bit of um a learning curve is there for you to get used to it. But it's actually a pretty good one for like creators or filmmakers even to like create amazing stuff. So, and the next one that we're going to look into is Synthesia. Okay, Synthesia actually isn't a like a it's not like the best text to video world model. It's actually a business focused AI video tool that uses realistic AI avatars to deliver spoken video content. So like think virtual presenters reading your script in multiple languages. Okay, so that's what this is capable of, the Synthesia. Okay, so its features include like AI avatars with lip syncs and expressions for communications. In a lot of language options are available, like 140 languages plus, and voice options as well. Okay, and you have templates for corporate training, onboarding, marketing, so contents for all of these it's available, and its integration with LMS and enterprise tools are pretty good. Okay, so that's ones. And what is it? It's easy to actually use, so you can like very quickly you can simply use it. So you can just put in your script and the video will be out. There is no creative editing skills or anything required with this, so it'll be fine. And you have a professional consistency, like it's stable, it has a predictable output, ideal for business, so you can turn your text into videos in minutes as mentioned here. Okay, and you have like enterprise features like team collaborations and all those things, which is pretty good. Okay, and the only issue with this is that like it has a limited creative flexibility, so if you're more into creative, then it has a bit limited style, because it's focused on avatar style videos, not for like ideal for artistics or cinematic generations. And also it has higher subscription cost per minute, because the pricing is minute based rather than credit based like the other stuff. This is minute based, so the cost comes into a way. Okay, and also it has less generative diversity, like it doesn't create arbitrary scenes from text prompts like Runaway, as I mentioned earlier. Okay, so that's the thing. But this is actually best for like corporates or training videos, if you're creating like training videos or corporate videos, or if you're creating like tutorials for your company or anything. So if you're creating tutorials, onboarding videos, especially in multi-language culture, if you need it in multilingual, in those cases, like these you can use these, because they are pretty good actually in those areas, if you're up for it. Okay, so it's actually best for, I would say, like corporate and avatar led videos. If you're into those ones, then this will be the best options for you. Okay, And the last one that I'm going to look into is the Pika Labs. Okay, Pika Labs, yes. So Pika Labs, actually, it's a fast, easy to use AI video generator. Okay, it's designed for quick social media ready clips. Okay, so it emphasizes speed, creative effects, and rapid iterations over ultra high fidelity. So if you go to the official website pikalabs.org, if you try the video generator here, if you click on it, it will take you to this page here. So what happens here, the main features of these Pikalab is that they have text to video generation. So which means like you can generate videos from the text, especially optimized for like short and viral clips. So often, like, within 10 seconds clips, like reels, for reels and shorts. So like, for social media contents, you can use that. And it has creative effects, which is called Pika effects. They are like stylized animations and transformations to, like, make it more attractive and catchy. And it has like intuitive interface, like minimal learning curve for business, so you don't really have to have too many things to know. Even if you're a beginner, or just a beginner who's just wants to try on it, you can simply learn it. It's very easy for you to learn, so you can just sign up with your Google account and then just start using it. Okay, then the main thing is that it has like super fast generation and iteration, so it can create and revise contents in seconds to minutes, so which is very quick, super fast, which is good. And also it's low cost, so it's one of the most affordable generators with generous credit allocation. So it's not really too expensive when you compare to, like, Runaway or Synthesia, because Synthesia is actually for business, you can leave that. But Runaway is pretty expensive. It's more advanced, but this is not actually. It's more affordable, and this is actually ideal for social platforms, like, where you need like short form content tailored for especially like reels, shorts, or even TikTok videos and those things. Okay, the issue with that is this often gives you a lower resolution and video output compared to Runaway. Okay, so the base videos are typically, it's because they are like mostly designed for mobile. Okay, and they have short length limit, so they are not great for longer narratives or extended scenes, because they create like short clips, ideal for short clips. And there's less professional control, like, the advanced editing features and or cinematic tools, as you may find in Runaway. It's limited in for this, because this is like to create small videos, AI videos for mobile, that for viewing for mobile. So this one is actually, I would say, best for, like, social media creators or influencers. Okay, you need like rapid content testing and viral contents. You are after such contents, you can use this. And you also, if you are like budget conscious, like you don't have much to spend, then you can try these Pika Labs. Here's a Pika Lab video generator, which is pretty good. So I would suggest, so if you are like, if you want to, like, if you want like something very quick speed, and if something that's affordable, and you need something for the social media, especially for short clips with high, with catchy short clips, then I would say just go for Pika Lab. Pika Lab is best for that. You can just generate videos using Pika Lab. It's best for that. But if you're after, like, needing a professional corporate video with, with multi-language support and, AI presenters, in that case, the Synthesia is the best AI generator for you. But if you are like, if you want your priority is like, creative control, high visual quality and storytelling, especially as a filmmaker, or if you're within that industry, then Runaway Emma will be the best option for you. Hope the video helps.